I'd get like the webcam out here with the extension. The webcam right there.
Ew, it's coming.
Looks like a fucking milky.
It looks like a balloon.
Looks like a turd.
Y'all are nasty.
The turd come out of your twat.
Did it go all the way back in?
Yeah.
No, it's kind of hanging out.
You see like an eyeball type looking thing.
Ew. Oh, here it comes. Oh, come on, Sammy. We have no life. This is fucking horrible.
Sammy.
Sammy,
see when you get pregnant?
push.
Come on, kill him.
Dude, with you and with a camera in, I can picture us in the.
What did it look like earlier? Wasn't she doing this earlier?
I didn't see the first one born.
No, shit.
Oh, she was doing it earlier, but it didn't even crown.
Like that?
She was just pushing, but it wasn't crowning yet. I can just picture us in the fucking hospital, me sitting on the bed having a baby, Joey like is in the corner of the room like, I don't want to see it, and you're like in my face with a fucking camera in my twat.
It's a whole different story. Because they're gonna have him hold your leg back.
Fuck no, if my brother talks to him before I go in, he will not come
He
near
wouldn't
me.
do it. I would have to do
Because when my sister had her fourth kid, she kicked the doctor in the head.
Fourth.
Yeah, fourth. She kicked the doctor in the head.
You know what she was waiting for? Me first?
it. I would be the one to do it with.
Yeah, Misty kicked the doctor in the head when she had Dalton. And about broke Shane's hand.
While her mom was trying to help.
Yeah, she about broke Shane's hand and kicked the doctor in the face.
So you know, if you break my hand, after your baby's
Oh,
out,
are you into?
I'm punching you with the other hand.
It's gonna come.
Did you say she's gonna come?
It's gonna come.
Oh, I was like, I think she's already past that stage. Late reaction.
Will you stop licking yourself and trying to fucking avoid the fact that you're gonna give another one?
She's like, I don't wanna. It hurt the first time. Yeah, no more. Get out. Dude, come on.
She's constantly keep scooting him closer down.
She's gonna end up having the puppy and it's gonna like fall on his head.
She's like licking her own tits.
Yeah, it's gonna end up falling on her fucking head. Remember when I gave birth to your little brother or sister? Yeah, I almost became retarded. Thanks, Mom.
Why did you like shoot out hitting the fucking chest?
Because it was. Dude, seriously, when I thought she was going to have it earlier, this puppy was like right there and his face was right at her twat. And she looked like she's going to have it. I'm like, dude, you're going to freaking make your first puppy retarded because the other puppy's going to fall on its head.
Sean thinks it's gonna shoot out and smack you in the chest.
I can see Sean ducking and it just fucking go.
Peel it off the wall.
I would be crying. I'd be running.